Greatest motorcycles of all time: Aprilia RSV4 Factory. When discussing the greatest motorcycles of all time, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory deserves a place at the top. Since its debut in 2009, this Italian masterpiece has consistently pushed the boundaries of superbike performance, blending cutting-edge technology, race-proven engineering, and breathtaking speed. With multiple World Superbike Championship (WSBK) titles under its belt, the RSV4 Factory has not only cemented itself as Aprilia's flagship model but also as one of the most dominant sport bikes ever created. A racing pedigree like no other. Aprilia has long been a force in motorcycle racing, and the RSV4 Factory was born from the brand's relentless pursuit of track domination. The bike was designed with MotoGP-inspired technology, and from the beginning, it showcased superior handling, blistering acceleration, and precise cornering capabilities. With a 65-degree 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, the latest RSV4 Factory delivers a staggering 217 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production motorcycles on the market. This allows it to reach speeds of over 190 miles per hour, 305 kilometers per hour, giving it race-level performance straight from the factory. Innovative technology and engineering. What sets the RSV4 Factory apart from many other superbikes is its advanced electronics and aerodynamics. Some of its key features include APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, a comprehensive suite of rider aids, including lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, and launch control, ensuring maximum performance in all conditions. Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, electronically controlled suspension that automatically adjusts to riding conditions for optimal handling. Brembo braking system, with dual 330mm front discs and radial-mounted Brembo calipers, the RSV4 Factory offers exceptional stopping power. Integrated winglets, inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP machines, these aerodynamic winglets improve high-speed stability and cornering grip. This combination of technology and power makes the RSV4 Factory one of the most advanced sport bikes ever made. World Championship success. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory has proven itself on the world stage, winning multiple World Superbike Championships with riders like Max Biaggi. Its racing DNA translates directly to the street, offering riders an unmatched level of precision, agility, and speed. The ultimate superbike for enthusiasts. Whether carving through tight corners on a racetrack or accelerating down a long straight, the RSV4 Factory provides a thrilling and visceral riding experience. With its MotoGP-derived technology, aggressive styling, and unbeatable performance, it has earned its place as one of the greatest motorcycles of all time. For riders seeking a race-ready superbike with cutting-edge innovations, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory remains one of the best choices in the world, a true icon of speed and engineering excellence.